everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today what I have for everyone is my double unboxing of the Bbing USB Type-C adapter for the Samsung Galaxy S8 with DeX support and the MobileMate aluminum phone stand. Now, these were purchased from two different methods, and they were actually supposed to come later in the week, but they came today, and you know, I figured I might as well shoot the unboxing and first impressions of them together, because I'm actually going to use these two products together. So why not shoot it together if I'm going to use it together? So I'm really excited about this one, because one of the reasons why I went with an S8 as my main consumer flagship was the fact that the Samsung devices have DeX support. And for those of you who don't know what DeX is, or maybe this is your first time hearing about it, DeX pretty much turns your smartphone into a desktop-like experience. You plug your smartphone into the DeX dock or adapter, and you provide power to it, and then you get a desktop-like experience on your monitor or TV, whatever you have it connected up to. So I was looking at DeX for a very long time, didn't really like the first iteration of it, don't really like the second iteration of it, but I think the overall functionality would be pretty sweet. So I jumped on Amazon and I started looking at DeX adapters. And I found this really neat one, thanks to the whole crew at Easy Computer Solutions. He did a video on this, but I was looking at it on Amazon before that. But I found this really neat one from Bbing. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Bbing, Bbing. I don't know. But yeah, it was $30. I finally got the gift cards together, so I cashed out some gift cards and I picked it up for free. And along with that, I actually got a coupon from eBay for this phone stand here. So the phone stand was $5 plus $1 for shipping and handling, and I actually cashed in that coupon, and the phone stand itself came up to $1, and that includes shipping and handling. So that's the whole backstory behind these. But without further ado, let's crack into these packages, which you can see I already started. Mad struggles for getting into the phone stand packaging. It is what it is. They need to make that one better, MobileMate. But let's get into these packages and let's give my first impressions. So here we go. Alright, we might as well start with the phone stand because it's already partially opened. Now, aside from the fact that I got a coupon for this phone stand, I really like the bar that it has. So a lot of my phone stands have a little bit of space in the bottom. So let me see if I can grab one real quick. We're not going to go over the packaging on that because it's pretty basic. But the reason why I like this phone stand, other than my other ones, is you can see I have a nice gap at the bottom, which is fine. But I think that this extra bar will add some more support. So it was really neat. When I saw this one, I was like, yeah, this might work out nice. And y'all can see, quick little demonstration. Drops in there like that, no problem. And it's going to work in portrait or landscape, no problem. So that should be nice. And I should be able to run the cables for this. So I should be able to make a nice clean setup with the Bbing DeX adapter and this little stand here. And I think if this does everything that I think it can, it should be able to replace my stick PC, which I've been using for what feels like forever now, and it should be able to replace my Android TV box, because along with DeX support, it also can mirror the screen on my device. Alright, so really sweet, and I'm really liking the look of that. Just wanted to go over that stand real quick. And it actually feels very sturdy. I'm really falling in love with these aluminum stands. And I actually have a bunch of them. So, got this one. Got this one. And I got a few others. and I got some plastic ones as well, but I really like the aluminum. Feels good in the hand, it's cold to the touch, and if you put the right case on your device, you get some really beautiful presentation. Whoops, sorry y'all, shaky cam. But let's keep it moving. So that's pretty much the stand there, and as you can see, doesn't have any grips on the inside, but it does have nice little rubber grips on the bottom. So this is really sweet for $1. I can't deny that. That's beautiful. Now, let's crack the Bbing box here. And overall presentation on this box, I have to say, is really nice. So you can see nice little picture of the device here. And you can see it comes in a few different colors. So we got gold, pink, white, gray, and black. And then it comes in a few different configurations. I'm not really quite sure which configuration we have here, but you can see you can have all USB. You can have USB micro SD card slot. You can have USB Type-C and regular USBs. You can have USB Type-C, 2 USBs, and micro USB, so on and so forth. You can have USBs, HDMI, USB Type-C, regular USB, and HDMI, so on and so forth. So this one comes in a few different configurations, and as I always do, all links to where to purchase everything that I'm talking about will be available down below in the video description. So let's crack this box now, and let's see how it looks firsthand. Alright, so we got the device itself. Does it come with any instructions? Nope, nothing else in the package. Alright. Now, I've already seen some videos on this, so don't really need instructions. Anything, if I can't figure it out, we'll just go back to the videos that I checked out. And as I said, Easy from Easy Computer Solutions, or Eric from Easy Computer Solutions, actually had a really nice video on this, along with a few other people. But this is the DAX adapter here, and first impressions, I have to say, guys and gals, it is really nice. And you can see we did indeed get the what is it, the 6th configuration or the 5th configuration. So you can see these are all our ports here. We got USB Type-C, we got 2 USB 3s, and we got an HDMI slot. Alright, and then this is the USB Type-C that goes directly into the device. So really good stuff. And this is actually going to look really good in my setup here. So pretty much what you would do is, now it's probably not going to work with the case, but pretty much what you would do is, I shouldn't have cut my fingernails. Alright, can't pop these things once the fingernails are cut. Pretty much you plug in your device like so. Now it's probably not going to work with the case. It still does. You plug in your device like so. Now I got to figure out how I'm going to run the cables here. I might have to drop the device on first and then run the cable from underneath. But you plug in your device like so, and pretty much you connect up an HDMI, and it should mirror the screen on your device. Now if you wanted to go into DeX mode, you have to provide power to the adapter itself. Then it should prompt you on your device to enter DeX mode. Alright, so that's a real quick unboxing and a real quick first impressions for you guys and gals. I'll be sure to put in some B-roll of how this bad boy looks when it's set up in my room. But I do have to actually go ahead and clear off a space, and then I'll have that for you guys at the end of this video. But that pretty much does it for my unboxing of the Bbing DAX support USB Type-C adapter for your Samsung Galaxy S8. And the, what was the name of this thing again? The MobileMate stand, smartphone stand or tablet stand. Is pretty much universal for your devices. Alright, if you guys and gals enjoyed this real quick video, or I'm trying to make it real quick, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more content like this, please feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I post new videos. All links to everything that I featured in this video will be located down below in the video description. So if this video piqued your interest, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright? That being said, this whole video was recorded using the 12 megapixel rear-facing camera on the Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite in 720p, okay, at 30 frames a second. So please let me know how the overall quality looks. All of the audio for this video was recorded using the Lapel CQ clip-on microphone. So please let me know how the overall audio sounds down below in the comments as well. That being said, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. This should probably take me no more than a week to get the full review together. And really, one of the primary reasons why I picked this up is because I edit a large majority of my videos from my smartphones. And I've been trying to put together a nice little tutorial for you guys if y'all want to see how my overall content creation process works. I'm actually working on a video of that, so I'll go through my whole creation process from start to finish, and y'all will see that nice little layout there. But one of the reasons why I haven't wrapped that up yet was because I wanted to be able to edit on a bigger screen. And I was thinking, okay, maybe I can go with a Chromebook that has Android support because, like I said, I edit from my smart devices using the KiMaster app, which is really, really good. We'll talk about that more probably in a separate dedicated review or when I go over my overall content creation process. So I wanted to use a Chromebook, but Chromebooks are quite expensive. And some of the ones with the proper RAM and storage configurations, they got really expensive because when you're editing, you do need a lot of RAM, or at least 4 gigs of RAM to edit somewhat smoothly. But that was okay because a lot of the devices that I edit on, I pretty much optimize them when I'm editing, so I have nothing else running in the background except for my editing app and a few things that I use, like the music that I incorporate into my videos, so on and so forth. Or if I'm putting a device through a review process, well, forget about it. We're just going to go balls to the wall, and that's one of the ways that I stress test the devices. And I'm very happy to report a lot of devices that I review pass that editing no problem. And that's one of the reasons why I was very excited to get the S8, because not only does it have that 4 gigs of RAM, but it also has a ton of storage, which makes the overall editing process for me a lot easier. And the overall experience, at least when I'm editing video, is quite smooth. Anyway, sorry y'all, went off on a little bit of a tangent there, but that's how long it should take me to review these two products for you guys and gals, and we're actually going to review them together because I believe this should make a nice combination here. Anyways, have a good day everyone, and I'll catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace everybody. Alright, so you guys saw the unboxing and first impressions, and now I have everything set up. And I apologize for the video quality and the lighting, but here's what my editing setup looks like. So this is my Logitech keyboard and mouse here. And then if we move over here, you guys and gals can see, whoops, there's the Bbing USB Type-C adapter, all plugged up to my TV. So you can see it's mirroring my smartphone right now, and then you can see there's my Samsung Galaxy S8. Alright, and so for the next week or so, we're going to put this bad boy through its paces. And you can see I do have it on the universal stand there, and it looks quite good. And it's very clean. So it's going to be replacing my stick PC, as y'all can see there, and my other hub, because it pretty much is a dedicated hub onto itself. Now I got to use it a little bit more to decide if it's going to replace my Android TV box. And one thing that I'm noticing is I don't really like the fact that I have to keep something plugged into my S8. Now, I've been using the S8 for a little bit over a month now. I'm going to have a separate dedicated month follow-up video. And I've been really using wireless charging, and to the point where it kind of bugs me now if I have to plug something directly into my device. But I digress. Between Bluetooth and wireless charging, I really don't like plugging in unless I absolutely have to. So it kind of bugs me that I have to have a wired connection going into my device in order to get that nice screen mirroring right there. And this also does work with DAC support, so as I get my thumb in the frame, sorry y'all, if I pull down the notification shade here, you guys can see it does say, I don't know how clear that's going to be, switch to DACs. So I can do the DAC support as well. In order to do the DAC support, you do have to include power, like I said in the unboxing. But anyway, yeah, a real quick video. I just wanted y'all to see it all set up. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.